This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav visited the historic Bhojshala in Dhar on Monday and offered prayer to Goddess Vagdevi during the occasion of Ganga Dashera. During his visit, the Chief Minister announced that a Grand Saraswati Lok and a Bhoj Research Institute will be developed at the Bhojshala site. He said the project will help preserve history, culture and religious importance linked to the place. He also announced financial assistance of rupees 5 lakhs each for the families of three people, Lakshman Singh Panchghati, Ban Singh Amjera and Antar Singh, who died during the Bhojshala movement. Addressing the gathering, Mohan Yadav said people of Dhar deserve congratulations after a long struggle of nearly 750 years connected to Bhojshala. He began his speech with the slogan Jai Jai Siya Ram and said he felt fortunate to receive blessings of Goddess Vagdevi at Bhojshala on the holy festival of Ganga Dashera. The Madhya Pradesh government has changed the official holiday for Eid ul-Zuha, also called Bakrid. Earlier the holiday was fixed for May 27, but now it will be observed on May 28. This means government offices and banks will remain open on May 27th and stay closed on May 28th. The General Administration Department issued the new order on Monday evening. A bank workers group had requested the government to shift the bank holiday to May 28th. The decision was taken to match the updated festival date and public convenience. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, completing 12 years in power, has led the BJP in Madhya Pradesh to launch a special campaign. The campaign, called 12 Years of Trust, Development and Public Welfare, will begin soon across the state. From June 5th to June 21st, leader will organize public programs and meetings. BJP leaders plan to contact at least 500 opinion makers in every district. MPs and MLAs will also spend time in villages and local areas to present the achievement and report card of the central government. An IAS officer who faced controversy for remarks about Brahman daughter will now receive governance training in Mussoorie. The officer Santosh Kumar Verma had faced protest after his statement and has reportedly remained without official work for several months. Along with him, many IAS officers, including district collectors from places like Gwalior, Sagar, Panna, Dhar and Rewa, will attend training programs. The training aims to improve administration, good governance and the use of changing technology in public service and government work. Members of the Jain community are protesting after 3 Jain Sadhvis were killed in a road accident in Rewa. Protest march and silent rallies were held in Madhya Pradesh and many other cities. Community members demanded a saint safety policy and protection rules for saints. They submitted a letter to the President, Prime Minister and Chief Minister. Some protesters said the deaths were not accidental and called it an attack on non-violence. Deputy CM Rajendra Shukla said CCTV footage suggests the car was driven into them. Tuisha Sharma death case has taken a new turn after the Madhya Pradesh High Court sent a notice to her retired judge mother-in-law Garibala Singh. The notice came after a petition challenged the anticipatory bail given by the trial court. Tuisha's father and the state government opposed the bail order and requested legal review. The High Court will now hear the matter further. The case has attracted public attention and raised questions about the investigation into the actress' death. A district panchayat vice chairman in Bhopal reached office by bicycle on Monday to spread awareness about health and fuel saving. Mohan Singh Jat rode nearly 35 kilometers from his village Kanera to the district panchayat office in about 2.5 hours. He said he plans to travel to the office by cycle at least once every week. According to him, cycling saves fuel and improves health. His effort also sent a message about fitness, simple living and protecting the environment. Madhya Pradesh is facing severe heat as the North Upper periods begin. Heatwave-like conditions have affected 44 districts while 5 districts are under red alert. Light rain was reported in Bhopal and Damoh, but people did not get much relief from the hot weather. In Meher, hospitals have seen more patients with vomiting and stomach problems due to extreme heat. Weather officials warn that temperature may rise further in the coming days. People have been advised to stay hydrated and avoid going outside in strong sunlight.